Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. So really good to see Solana moving finally as well. If you hear any fireworks in the background, it's bonfire night here today in the UK, so you might hear some fireworks in the background. Yesterday I didn't have time to do another Solana update yesterday. I'm really sorry. I know a lot of people waited for it, but it was a long day yesterday, and there's a lot of charts to update. It's really good, but the charts are running away from me, it seems like, which is good, which shows the bulls are coming back slowly. And that all ties in with my view that there was a good chance, and there still is a good chance for a year-end rally. The chart looks at least now medium-term bullish, because this is indeed, or was indeed, a wave one to the upside. We did label it as wave one, and then here the wave two to the downside, hit support area and reversed. I changed the chart yesterday so channel members could already see it. There was still another chance to come down lower, like with ADA in a WXY scenario. I took that out now as well because we've clearly broken key resistance, and we have, you can see how relevant these levels are. I told you in previous videos that if we break with Solana above the $34.50 level, it will unlock prices all the way up to $39. And you can see what happened. I mentioned it in various videos. A break of the $34.50 level is needed to go short-term bullish on Solana. We identified this as a wave one here. We identified this as a wave two here, but it wasn't very high probability. But it's gaining in probability now, obviously, with that breakout, because this was a key structural breakout. We have broken above the resistance here at 34.50 and here above the wave one. So the wave E high and the wave one high, and that confirms to me at the moment that there is a good chance that we are now in a breakout scenario of a third wave, that we have already seen the wave two, which was quite shallow, and that we are now already in that third wave to the upside. I can give you a target for that now as well, that we would need to reach. I might have done that in the previous video already. I can't remember that, to be honest. But the way this is moving looks very much like a three wave, like a wave three. So here diagonal pattern in a wave one, wave two, ABC. And then here the third wave to the upside, where you would normally expect to reach the 1.618 extension. Don't think we are there yet. The 1.618 extension would be around $42.75. So the way this looks is that we had down here a wave one, here a wave two. So I can actually label that 1, 2, that this was most likely the wave three. Here probably now the wave four and the wave five to the upside, still to come into the region then of that $42 level, for $43 really. After that there should be a wave four and a wave five up, and then we can get the next wave two to the downside. It's now important that this wave four, in which we currently are, the strong retracement would suggest that we are now in this fourth wave. I don't think that there would probably be a way to label this here as the wave three, this as the wave four, and this as the wave five. The reason I'm not really going with that is because this strong push really suggests that we were still in a wave three of a wave three. So I'm currently seeing the way how we are coming down now as a fourth wave. And this would need to find support around the, it makes sense, 34.70 level. So I would even allow it to come down to 34.50. That is the key support, that we already retested here. This is a textbook breakout. So we identified in previous videos this 34.50 level. Absolutely. I talked about that many times. Looking at it now, you might even have a very ugly cup and handle here. Cup, handle. This is also what we talked about with Ethereum. If you've seen the Ethereum videos. And then we broke out, retested, beautiful, and then a strong move up. So again, this happened fast, but we knew that a move above 34.50 could very quickly lead to prices of $39. And that is exactly where we came to. We came to 38.80. And now I think we are in this fourth wave. We need to hold the 34.50 support, and can then rally in one more wave 5 up to $42. If we don't hold this now, the 34.50 level, then we only have really 3 waves to the upside here. Yeah. Again, there is a chance that we count this here as the wave 3, but I'm not really happy with that. This the wave 4 and this the wave 5. So if that's the case, so I'm telling you that. So if we go below 34.50, there is then one more last chance to keep support, and that would be as long as we hold then the $32 level, then we could still, then I would say, okay, we had here probably another 1-2 setup, but again, that is not highly reliable. So again, as long as we hold the $32 level, we could still have another chance to rally, but ideally we now hold 34.50 and would then move up in another rally to $42. That's sort of my view now after this breakout. Gave you now the key support levels, and it's starting to look good across the crypto space, I would say. So yeah, hopefully you liked the update about Solana. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.